installing your SF2, you will find two 60-watt solar panels in the panel box. The hinge and pop-up stand for the panel, as well as the pump, 7.5 meters of suction hose, a tools and spare bag and an installation manual can be found in the pump box. The pump has a 10-year warranty. Make sure to register it via futurepump.warranty.com. The installation manual shows all the steps needed while setting up your pump. This video will take you through each step. Have a look at the tools and spare bag. There you will find a comprehensive set of spares and tools, as well as hosepipe connectors and a manual handle for manual pumping, for you to make most out of your SF2. Now, let's start setting up the panels. Take the hinges and open them up. Put the panels upright and place the hinges on top. Open the screws enough to let the hinges fall around the panel edge. Tighten the screws until the hinges are clamped and secured to the panels. Take the panel stand and place it through the hole. Use the star knob to secure the stand. The stand can be used to adjust the angle of the solar panels according to the location of the sun during the day. Make sure to choose a location for the panels where they can face the sun throughout the day. Now, let's prepare the pump. Start by removing the packaging around the motor. Then, remove the two flywheel fixtures using the spanner from the spares and tools bag. Give the flywheel a spin to confirm the motor pulley is straight onto the flywheel and the flywheel is freely moving. Attach the filter on one side of the suction hose, securing it with a hose clip, and the tapered hose nipple on the other side. Using soap or heat will help placing the hose nipple onto the hose. Remember, the suction limit of the pump is 7 meters. Make sure your water source isn't further down than that. The suction side of the pump is the side of the motor. The tapered connector is placed on the pump by pushing it into the air vessel, then turning it to one side to secure it. You will then need to prime the pump by pouring some water into the discharge side. Then connect the discharge hosepipe you want to use. Make sure the total head of the pump stays within the 15-meter limit of the SF2. Place the motor pulley on the correct size. The small pulley is for 6 to 15-meter lifts, while the large pulley is for 0 to 6-meter lifts. Simply loosen the knob and turn the pulley around to place it on the large pulley. Plug the panel connector into the black box, aligning the connector to match the receiving end. You are now ready to switch the pump on. Use the table in the installation manual to find the appropriate discharge hosepipe size. Never use smaller than 1-inch hosepipe sizes on the SF2 though. Make sure you register your warranty to get the best support. Enjoy your SF2 solar water pump.